So as you guys can see, the .min file format is not color-coded as the .nc. And that's pretty easy to actually change once you install the Autodesk Fusion plugin. Once again, is you just have to navigate to your C drive, users, yourself, and then we're going to go as vscode extensions. And then what you're going to notice is we have what's called the Autodesk HSM-post-processor. And then if you actually come down here, there's this package.json. And inside that, if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see that there's this section or extensions area. Now, what I would recommend is you take one of these and just do a little copy paste, because where the comma is, you don't want a comma on the last one. But if we go ahead and hit enter, I can go in and change that .tip, in this case, to .min. Now, again, this is where my non-native programming background is. In my opinion, always go for lowercase and uppercase in this case. We're going to go ahead and save this file. I just hit Control S to save it. Now, what you're going to notice, this doesn't automatically update. I just have to repost it. So again, we go back into Fusion 360. We post-process one more time. We go back to the Okuma post. We hit post, hit yes. And just like that, I am a total liar, which means we should probably restart Fusion here. Not restart Fusion, restart VS Code. Try this one more time. Post Okuma.min. Hit yes. Drum roll. Oh, of course. Ah, there we go. We got it. See, I'm not a complete idiot most days. Well, guys, let me know. What do you think? Does that work out pretty good?